couple small branches I think somebody can just pull off with a broom or something. I don't know. You might go suspend me over that roof over there, and I might clean those off, but go ahead and cable me up above it. Honestly, we can one pick this. This is pretty small. And I think if we do and I sling it right, we'll just clear the whole building. You can boom down. All right, you should be good there. Hold up. Sorts of small stuff here. Yeah, I think we can easily rig this up if I get around here. Cable up just a couple, maybe a foot. Good. I'm just gonna try to leave this. This thing I'm able to move really easy by just kind of flexing on it. Remember, I need to re-sling my rope because I didn't bring my big rope. I think so, yeah. It's honestly like at the base it's not over 10 inches, and like right here it's probably like 7 inches. So yeah, I think if I tie it here, we should be good. Cable down for me like a couple feet so I can tie this. Be good there. Okay, go ahead and cable up to make sure these sit pretty. Oh, actually, okay, I'm like cable down a little bit more. I'm going to readjust this sling one more time. You're good there. Perfect. All right. I'm gonna come down a little bit more. I think this is this a locust maybe? Barely enough rope to reach the ground. Look at that. I literally have like 1 foot of rope right here and I'm on the ground. It's funny, I grabbed my short rope because I was just going to pick off the roof. Now usually always tie a knot in the end of it, but I was very aware of it being short, so. Cool. You might boom down cable up just a hair, just to kind of set the weight where it needs to be, because it was, I think that would just pull it off nicer. Oh yeah, there we go. And this is such a lean that I'm just gonna make an undercut. You ready? If it, yeah. I might have you still boom down cable up when you go to lift it. Okay. All right. Boom up, boom up, boom up. Nice. Cool. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I actually stayed at a pretty good angle. I was happy about that. You might. Yep. Okay, there you go. Perfect. That went to the side nicely. Yeah, I wanted to get that. I barely had enough length. I wish I had a little bit more length on that sling, but it actually worked really well. I think it's sitting about the angle it was in the tree at. So, perfect. Nice little one pick tree. No. Ew. Yeah, looks good. Nice. Nice one pick.